Well, where you at? Well, come on, it's been ages. This is where you've been hiding.
Yeah, seems like the right spot.
Fair enough, it's been a long time from anybody heard from you.
Yeah, well, that's true.
Why are you hiding?
Many reasons. Jump in and I'll tell you. Tell you all about it.
Well, the reason we haven't actually been around for a while is because of, well, watch the last video and you'll see. We lost a couple of buddies, and just after that just didn't have the motivation or the interest in continuing on. But do you know, we have a few extra new staff now that really want to get this thing going again, and we did enjoy making the films when we were doing them. In saying that, they were so much work. They were so much work, and we were constantly editing, constantly changing things, constantly going re-back. There's cars we took engines in and out 4 or 5 times just so we would get different shots of the right angles and things. Just wasn't worth it. You know, we want to put out something decent, we want to put something enjoyable that people can watch, but that was just really affecting our ability to operate as a business at the same time. So we stopped for a while. Lots of things happened. That happened to us last year. This year has been crazy. You know, if you've not noticed what's happened this year, you must have been living under a rock. And actually, do you know what? Being under a rock's probably sounding like a pretty good idea right now. I'd sort of swap you. If anybody wants to give me a shout, if you're living under a rock in a little cave, give me a call. No, you can't give me a call because you'll have no phone. Perfect. We've kind of got a few ideas of what we want to do again, so we have a different plan this time. Rather than doing those really labor intensive, editing intensive, filming intensive videos that we were doing, as much as we enjoyed them, there was a lot of room for improvement. But what we're planning to do this time is we're going to do something more of a, you all young people can keep me right here, a video log. So kind of like a blog, like from the old days, was writing stuff down and then you do it by video. So is that called a vlog? That's the most ridiculous sounding word I've ever heard, so hopefully I don't have to repeat that too many times. But that's what we're going to try and do. We're going to try and talk to the camera. We're going to try and show you what we're doing rather than concentrate on one big project and then the video take ages to put out. We're going to try and show you all the different things that we're doing. We'll maybe do a few wee specials as well, and we'll certainly do a few short videos of how to do a certain thing. So if we're doing a particular thing, kind of like we've got a couple of videos up there already of, you know, how to refurbish a set of lights and things like that. Those kind of got a lot of interest, so they did, and they're more useful to people. We want to put out content that's both entertaining and useful. We don't want to just be doing this for the sake of it or just doing this for a laugh. We actually want to put out something that's useful. So if you have any ideas, any comments, you know, if you've something that you want to see and you think we can show how to do it, if you've a project in mind that you're not sure how to get started on tackling, I mean, drop a comment, get in touch with us, let us know what you're thinking, and most of all, hopefully this new vlog thing will work, will inspire people, or will appeal to what you want to see. So if that's what you want to see from us, or if there's something you want to change, or if there's an idea that you have, we're completely open to new ideas. We're open to changing things up a bit, and we want to put out something that, you know, that people enjoy and people learn something from, because if we're not doing that, what's the point, you know? So hopefully that explains a little bit where we've been and where we're going. And that's it, I guess. Happy Christmas, because it's pretty much coming up to that time. You wouldn't think it, because I'm able to sit here in a t-shirt in Northern Ireland. There's a couple of videos that we've recorded during the last year or so that we never had the time, inclination or whatever to put out, but we're going to put them out over Christmas so that all of you who are cooped up at home, you have something to watch. They might be terrible, they might be great, you know, you let us know. And hopefully then in the new year we'll see you with these, I'm going to have to say it for the third time, vlog videos. Can you say vlog video? I don't know. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're going to give it a go anyway. Hopefully you enjoy it. So, see you then. Happy Christmas, Happy New Year. See you next time, which will be 2021.